Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have my friend Tad the Merchant. Display name, real name is Awesome Dad. Okay, we are doing a video where I'm gonna give away one of my pets and my pet collection, and it will be the golden vampire bat, which is 723 million. So, yeah. So all you need to do, like, sub, and comment your username, because I will be doing the draw on Saturday, which is one day after my birthday. Okay, so, well, maybe I should just open eggs and see what I get. Let's just go to the Dominus egg. See what I get. Okay, I get an Infernus, that's okay. For 15k. Hear that? If you do not hear it, but whatever. So let's go to Halloween event and open one of these eggs. So I do not have enough for the cursed egg, but I do have enough for the eerie egg, so I can just buy one of these. And we'll see what I get. Pumpkin cat basic, not bad. Okay, this last one. Pumpkin cat again. I guess we'll do a few more. Let's put my thing right here and see what we get. We got another pumpkin cat. That's 3 pumpkin cats. Got the last one. Okay. Now we have enough for one of these bad boys. I got a zombie bowl. And as you can see, I have none of these equipped, so let's just equip it, and boom, look at those bad boys. Okay, let me equip one of them. Okay, let's go to the shop. Oh, dude, these pets are so good. Okay. And let's use these. Use all these. But I need those equipped. Oh, we have spooky upgrades. And I could have had enough for more storage. And we have a guy here who apparently has a dark matter. Dude, he's upgrading so much. Okay. We're gonna go to one last world. Oh, the girl got it. Okay. Well, let's just make a golden pet. 1, 2, 3. If I made those, dude, I can give away 2 of them. I wouldn't take the risk. Oh, I'll try to make a pumpkin cat. I have an 88% chance, definitely. Go. That is 474 million. Okay, for some reason the traveling merchant has just arrived. And we'll see the good pets. Blurred Dominus. Legendary Grim Reaper, already have that. And a mythical Gold Horse. Nice. So, oh, you can see in the corner. No, you cannot. Okay. As you can see, I am like halfway in the server right now. At 11.8 billion. All thanks to this bad boy right here. That today from fusing. It was weird. I just fused like, I don't know, like 3 golden. No, it wasn't that. It was something else. I forgot what it was. Okay. Okay, so this tiny dog. He's just bouncing around. Okay. Let's just. Okay, that was weird. Hey guys, we're gonna have a little intermission / preview break. We're gonna be doing 2 of them right now, and one of them is gonna be by buying some of the worlds that I haven't bought yet. I hope they're gonna be enough. So, Portals, Ancient Island, Samurai Island, Candy Island, Haunted Island, and Hell Island. I just spent a heck of a lot of coins there. Okay, now for the second one. Guess what, guys? We have a special guest on our video here, and he's actually right here. That's his account, so maybe you can just show up right now. There, here he is. See him right there? That's him. Okay, this is his account. That's him. He's playing on this account. Okay, you can come up. Yeah, there. Okay, now you can see him. Okay, now you can go back. Okay. Well, that's probably going to be the end of the video. Well, thank you for watching. Remember, life. Sorry for that quick stop. I had to go do something quick. But I'm back. So, yeah, just remember, not live. Pet giveaway. Just like, sub, and comment your Roblox username. I'll pick anyone on Saturday when I get my Doc Mata pets. Let me just go to Dark Tech and I'll show you. Fortunately, he doesn't have the tech world yet, so I'll just be doing this for right now, Dark Tech. And I will show you how cool they look like. There's the Dark Mata machine. And here they are. So I got that, Dark Matter Blurred Dominus, Dark Matter Immortus, Steampunk Crocodile, a toy mouse, and a reversed dog. Okay, so yeah, so I might do more in the future, giving away one of these pets for my viewers. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Thank you. Bye!